Hello guys, what's up everybody, this is 𝗃𝗵𝗵 here. So on this video we are going to talk about how to color grade your video with your Android phone. If you want straightforward tech, photography and filmmaking content, please subscribe guys and turn on the notification. So let's get started. First app out of the 3 apps is a little bit out of convention. So the app is 𝗃𝗵𝗰𝗵. That's a selfie taking app. How can it possibly be a good color grading app, you might say? Well, see it yourself. These are the videos that I graded with 𝗃𝗵𝗰𝗵 and it is completely free, and why are you waiting, right? Second app is just at the right place. 𝗃𝗶𝗱 by GoPro. One of the best video editing app on Android phone happens to have a bunch of good filters. See it yourself. By the way, next video is on how to edit your videos on 𝗃𝗶𝗱. So if you want to see that, you might want to subscribe. Third and the main app is VSCO or VSCO. Yeah, it is a paid app, but you will probably use the mod version from the internet. First tip for those who use the mod version, please sign up the old way, like using email ID and password, and use 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲.org and use a temporary email to sign up, so that you don't give any of your email and passwords to a potential hacker. Link down in the description, but you have to download the mod APK from the internet. Just search and get one yourself, because I cannot give you the link to the mod APK on YouTube. Sorry for that. Or check my website 𝗃𝗵𝗰𝗵.blog.me. Now let's get into the main part, color grading your video on VSCO or VSCO. Open the app and you can see a wide variety of options, photo and video, yes, and select the video to import. After importing, you will be welcomed by a large variety of presets. So select the presets that you like the most, probably take more time, and click on the edit icon. Over there you will get individual color correction just like on Lightroom, but now it's over your video. How awesome is that? And you can control highlights and shadows too. Occasionally you can throw some grains to your video and make it more analog. You can basically change all the basic settings of a video with this app. A great piece of app, right? So if you have the money, go ahead and spend it over the app, because it is totally worth it. Or you can always choose the unconventional, but please be careful. How was the video guys? Do you like it? Please take 2 seconds to like this video and turn on the notification while you're subscribing, and also share this video to a good friend. So this is 𝗃𝗵𝗵𝗵 here signing off. Peace out.